So the nip and flip method is not just for the 6 bad messages that you tell yourself. It's also for bad messages or insults other people try to tell us, try to put on us. These insults carry a message about who you are, and like the 6 bad messages that we tell ourselves, these external insults are not the truth either. So, nip and flip can be used for the internal bad messages we tell ourselves, but it can also be used for the external bad messages or insults that others fire at us. So let's take something like, nobody would put up with you. If you don't catch that insult immediately, it goes straight in. You start to believe it, and it can turn into, there's something wrong with me. So what can we do to stop this happening? We can nip it. So the first step when someone hurls an insult at you is to nip it. That means you stop it at the point it is coming in. You nip it in the bud. You don't let it land. You don't give it airtime. You recognize this is something they are saying. It's not a fact. It's not the truth about me. And what do you do then? Then you flip it. You replace it with a different message, a good message. And so it goes like this. This insult that has just been fired at me, that's their opinion. It's not the truth. It's not a fact about my worth. It's not the truth about me. And you can have it right back where it came from. You flip it. You don't take it on board. And you may have to nip and flip over and over again if somebody is hurling insults, because it's quite difficult to get used to this. You know, if you're used to taking insults, it takes practice to suddenly nip and flip them, because they can echo on in our heads. So what we have to do is we have to keep practicing nip and flip when it comes to the bad messages we tell ourselves and the bad messages that come from other people.